Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Ninja Party PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ninja Party game on your device. And once you are taken into the login page, you have various different options to sign up or log in. In order to create your new account, you can use your Google or Apple account as well. And you also have the option to play as guest. Tap on the email icon to sign up, and once you are taken into the login page, you can just type in your desired email address, then click on continue. And now enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. Just check in the email that you have just entered and you will find your code. After typing in your code, you can click on continue. And now you have successfully been signed up to your account. You can click on the continue button once again. And now you can go back to your game and you will be allowed to set up your username. After typing in your name, click on continue. And now you can start enjoying the Ninja Party game on your device right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Ninja Party PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.